In today's digital world, there are endless possibilities for accessing tools and services that will provide you with alternative ways of making money in the fastest way possible. Most of these are through websites or applications, with the former being the preferred source of quick income. These platforms are pretty good at making you believe you can earn thousands of dollars from the comfort of your home until proven otherwise. Here is a list of the trusted online money-making sites worthy of your attention, and some of them will show you how to make money online for free. ShareASale is a reliable and well-paid affiliate marketing platform that is beneficial for both merchants and affiliates with heaps of commission as a bonus. This website gives ordinary people an extraordinary way to earn income in the easiest way possible. Through a large number of affiliates and their product reviews, an extensive range of readers can be reached, which automatically increases sales. Once a sale is made, commissions are earned either through leads or sales. These commissions start at 10% or more but can be negotiable between both parties. Individuals who are accustomed to internet marketing can often struggle when outranking competing websites. To solve this problem, one should always fall back on a well-known internet marketing site called Munchai. Munchai is uniquely termed as the headquarters that lists internet marketing products that are about to be launched or have recently been released in the market. Affiliates have the liberty of seeing the products before they are launched and can choose to promote them early on if they like. Likewise, affiliates can also benefit from early bird sales and free access to products, which can increase productivity and lead to sales skyrocketing and an increase in commissions. Affiliates who channel their energy to various affiliate programs and websites to make money should definitely link up to Munchai for additional benefits. Fiverr is a freelancing website that promotes professional services ranging from logo designs, social media posts, voiceovers, translations, etc. for various industries and clients. It is the fastest way to earn money, starting from a $5 gig, out of which $1 is retained by Fiverr for using the platform. Anyone with minimum skills can use the platform and effortlessly earn up to $50 or more per hour. All you have to do is put up the services that you'd like to offer and get an order. Once the order is complete, you can get paid and continue to use the winning formula to win more orders. It's a $5 winning streak for everyone, with no fails attached. Swagbucks is one of the most popular online survey sites. When you sign up for a free Swagbucks account, you'll get a $10 welcome bonus. To earn points, you can choose from a variety of methods like taking surveys, shopping online, Swagbucks search, watching videos, playing games, discovering deals, buy gift cards. Later, you can redeem your points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon and Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal. Swagbucks probably isn't your path to financial freedom, but it's an awesome tool for casual use. ACX is a great place where authors, publishers, and other rights holders can interface with producers, narrators, and recording studios who can produce finished audiobooks. Here you can make money as narrator. As long as you can read and speak, you are fine to start making some money. Choose from an unlimited number of potential acting gigs through ACX, and the audiobooks you make will be available on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. Validately is one of the genuine online money-earning sites. You'll be asked to complete a number of tasks, speak your ideas and opinions aloud, and answer a few questions referencing your opinion on a website or app. Tests are available on a daily basis. Not everyone or the tester would match the criteria for all the tests, so you will be emailed about available tests less frequently. Udemy is one of the best-known online training marketplaces on the internet. Just like eBay or Amazon, it allows you to sell and buy your training and course products. For example, it sells complete web developer training, various design training, but also lifestyle training and office productivity training. Being able to work from home and do something that you really love is important. But the real question is, does it pay off to sell training on the internet? The answer is yes. Udemy has real potential for users who know how to embrace the codes and listen to their customers. It's hard to define how much you can earn with Udemy per month, but based on personal feedback, a newbie can make up to $700 per month with just one good training. $600, that's 60 customers who would buy your first training at $10. This is a largely achievable goal if you put your heart into it. While flipping websites and domains can take a great amount of effort to do rightly, it is not that hard and can be pretty profitable. Have you given this a try? The last few years have shown examples of domain names, websites, and even app sales at record prices, so much so that the internet has become an essential communication platform. GoDaddy reports that the most prized domain ever sold was cars.com for a price of $872 million. For sure, there is a skill and absolutely an expertise to obtaining the domains that will be profitable. If you want to sell a domain, websites that you no longer use, or if you have registered a domain name that may be of interest to potential buyers. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, guys, this is Rachel signing out.